Hey guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So I just did the unboxing of this bag. So this is my new Sydney Satchel bag in Dusty Rose, and I got it because I already have the one in blue and I really enjoyed carrying it. So I thought to get another one which is the same but in a different shade. But when I got the bag, I realized that the bag is just too light and it's just going to get some color transfer on it. So I thought to try this New Colony Carbon Pro spray, which is supposed to protect any leather or suede, and see if it works. So what I thought of doing is I thought of spraying it on camera to see and record it. And I just really hope that it works, because this is a nice bag and I can't wait to carry it out. That's why I decided that I have to do have some sort of layer of protection before I do carry it out, whether it be against the rain or the snow or even color transfer. So yeah, so if you're interested to see this video, do stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go ahead with this, but I'm gonna start with this strap, because if anything happens to it, you know what, at least it's just a strap. So I'm gonna be using this, which is the Colony Carbon Pro, and it says here that it gives a high performance protection for all materials, and it has an innovative carbon technology with long lasting effect against wetness and dirt. So after the application from a distance of 30 cm, a resistant breathable net-like structure of polymer chains develops, so water drops roll off perfectly, allowed to dry, polish smooth leather or roughen suede leather afterwards. Effective and long-lasting protection. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead with this, but do ensure that you're doing it at a well-ventilated area, because I think this spray is gonna be quite strong smelling. So I'm just going to try it. I'm going to this is the best I can prep my table. So I'm just going to try on the underside of the spray first. I don't know if this is going to work, honestly, so I'm going to give it a good shake, and let's do this. Okay, I gave it quite a good spray, and it has, if you can see, it has some sort of glistening effect to it. It did not change the color of the strap, which is a good thing. So I'm just gonna continue with the other side. So I stopped about there, and I'm gonna continue this side. Don't fall. Okay, let's go for it. Let's go for it. Oh my god, the smell the smell is very strong, so I really do recommend doing this outside if you can. For me, I don't have a balcony and it's snowing outside, so oh my god, okay, it's really very strong. So okay, I'm not gonna talk, I'm just gonna do this, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Let's leave this to dry. Okay, so it looks like that. There's a bit of glistening. I'm just going to leave it to dry. You know what? I'm going to wait to see if this dries fine, and if so, then I'm going to do it on the back. So I'll be back. Okay, so far the leather strap is drying up pretty well, so I'm just going to go ahead with the bag itself. I'm really nervous. I have a cloth with me just in case I need to wipe it down. So I'm just going to start with the bottom of the bag and see if this really works. Although I don't know why I'm doing the bottom of the bag, but okay, let's just try. So that's quite a good layer, I think, and it seems as though there's a bit of shine to it, but it's not changing the the color of the bag, which is good. So I'm just going to leave that to dry, and then I'll come back and do the rest of the bag. Okay, the bottom is now dry. I'm just going to spray the side. Just gonna do a fine mist. Now I'm doing this side of the bag. It's pretty wet. It looks wet. It looks glistening actually. Okay, and now the front of the bag. And finally, the side of the bag. Okay, I'm gonna just take the handles, give a good coat. I'm not gonna do the underside of the handles because I don't see the point, so I can't see the handle, sorry. But this is what I'm doing to the handles. So the bag is really glistening now, and I can see that some areas are pretty wet. I'm not too sure if that's a good thing, but I don't see any discoloration whatsoever, so that is good. So I'm just gonna spray extra here. This is where the bag is prone to color transfer, and also this side I've done, so you can pretty much see that it's glistening. So okay, I am done with the bag. I'm just gonna leave it to dry, and I will give you guys an update after it has dried, and then see if there's any difference in the color and the texture. So it's been a few days now since I've sprayed the colloquial spray onto this fossil bag, and as you can see, it is completely dry, and it did not change the color of the bag itself, which I am so thankful for. I hope that it can withstand or repel water. I've not tried it out, but it should, I guess. And I hope that, most importantly, I hope that it can, you know, prevent any color transfer from my jeans or coat that I'll be wearing. So this what do you call this? This strap also looks fine. It did not change any color, and yeah, so let's see. I hope that everything will be fine. So anyway, that's all I have for today's video, and thank you for watching. And if you liked and would like to support my content, do give me a thumbs up, do subscribe. It would be nice if you guys do. Until next time, bye.